This is a P-Touch Cube by Brother. Thanks, brother. Okay, essentially what you want to do is you're going to grab your phone, go to the Brother app, and essentially going to print some labels. Okay, so I've got little tubs. I'm going to get started. Do normal people take this long to select the text type? I'm not sure. I go turn it on. I go turn it on, bro. Sorry.
Silly me.
Bluetooth device connected successfully. All right. Could you imagine if I didn't edit this? You just watched the whole thing. That'd be really funny. It might be really meta to just do that. Small guys, and I'll put a little cute, little. So cute.